Hello friends, I Sarita Sharma from Holkar Science College. Today we are learning implementation of MVC architecture. What is MVC, why we use it and what are the advantages of it were discussed in the previous lecture. Today we are discussing implementation of MVC. MVC model designs based on MVC architecture follow the MVC design pattern and they separate the application logic from the user interface when designing software. Here for implementation we are creating some Java classes. Here MVC pattern demo, our demo class will use student controller to demonstrate use of MVC pattern. Now the first class is student.java which is acting as a model. Here in class student there are two variable of string type roll number and name, and for roll number and name we have created some getter and setter method inside this class. Now the second class is student_view.java. This Java class is used for creating the view. In this class we have a method print student details for displaying the data, student name and roll number. Now the third class is student controller.java. In this class we have created an object of student class, that is model, student view, that is view, and inside constructor we are assigning this value of this object. There is also a method set student name, get student name, get student roll number, get student roll number and set student roll number. And similarly there is a method update view. With the help of view object we are calling print student detail for displaying the value get, for calling the methods get name and set get roll number. Now we have created model, view and controller. For using these three classes we have created a MVC pattern demo.java class for using all the three. In MVC pattern demo class there is a object model. In the object model we are calling retrieve student from database a method, and we are creating a object view with the help of student view. There is a controller object. In the controller object we are passing model and view as an parameter. Then we are calling update view method. Then with the help of controller object we are calling set student name method with the help of John parameter. Then controller dot update view method is called. Then in this private section static type method retrieve student from database is called. In this method we have called the object student, and then with the help of this object student we are calling set name method and we are assigning it Robert for updating the data, and set roll number as 10, and then we are returning student. Since student is the object here there, and the return type of retrieve student from database method is student, it means it is returning an object. It is returned to the above site to model. It means these all detail is returned to model. This is the output of the this class. Student name equals to Robert, then roll number is 10. Similarly, when we call update method, it is displaying as name John and roll number 10. This was the small description about the MVC architecture. Okay, thank you.